Number 10, students have learned how to write a claim evidence response paragraph, pulling information from a variety of sources in both science and social studies.
Number 9, because the Wellness Center team. During this challenging pandemic, the team continued to support our families and students with mental health and basic resources. The team connected students and families to food, housing, and other community supports. And when telephone calls and Zoom calls weren't enough, our team visited homes to bring the school to our students.
Number 8, Amplify Science, our newly adopted curriculum, provides students with the opportunity to investigate, talk, read, write, think, and argue like real scientists.
Number 7, while our school has continued fun traditions from the past, we have made room for some new ones too.
Number 6, students have learned how to keep themselves safe during the global pandemic.
Number 5, in order to demonstrate their understanding of the curriculum, students have learned to communicate and support their ideas both orally and in writing.
Number 4, by focusing on keystone standards and skills with a growth mindset, students are building a strong foundation for next year's curriculum.
Number 3, community building. Students have learned to build relationships with their peers. Even through the challenges of distance learning, students have been able to build these communities through a variety of ways, such as warm welcomes, check-ins, Avid Claps, group projects, and community circles. Also, school events like Spirit Days, virtual movie nights, and community service projects.
Number 2, students learn to work together towards common goals and to support the learning of others through inquiry.
And finally, the number 1 reason your child is ready for the 7th grade is navigating digital technology.